This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by the Art League of Ocean City.
Well, whether you are an artist yourself or you're just an appreciator of the arts, there's always something new to see at the Art League in Ocean City. Every month they change over their display, so that is where we are headed to 94th Street to see what's new this month at the Art League.
There's no shortage of talented artists within the Art League of Ocean City. And this month, Megan Burak-Lowe, Digital Marketing Coordinator, is excited to highlight the fascinating works of this father-son duo.
So we have a father-son duo. It's Kevin and Evan Fitzgerald with their show Lasting Legacies. So Kevin's work is really cool. It's kind of a muted landscape, kind of moody. It's really interesting. And then Kevin's work is more portraits with these really cool headdresses. There's different animals incorporated into them, and they have a couple pieces where they have collaborated on them, and they just come together so interestingly. It's something you really got to see in person.
You may think that being related, father and son would share similar techniques in their talents, yet these two make rather varied and quite different works from one another.
Well, what's interesting is that they're just, I think, so different. I mean, you have something that's a little bit more impressionistic with Kevin, and Evan is definitely a little bit more realistic. Evan uses a lot of different textures like wood in his work, where Kevin is primarily, I believe, oil painting. But it's so interesting, like I said, to see them come together and really make pieces that work together, even though they're so different.
As is always the case with the OC Art League, there's plenty more to see.
So the Beverly Bassford Memorial Juried Show is still going on until the middle of the month. Upstairs in Studio E, we have John Carter with his really cool photography pieces. And then in the Spotlight Gallery, we have Ray Ewing, who recently passed. He was a really great plein air artist, so you can check out some of his work as well. And then in the Artisan Showcase, we have Susan Donahoe with her jewelry.
And if seeing all the incredible artwork that the League supports inspires you, you can sign up to take any number of their many different classes that Mary Ann Cooper, Director of Education, is excited to share with you.
We do have classes for all levels at the Art League. I would like to highlight the Saturday free art craft. That's an opportunity for everyone to come out and do something free and see the Art League. So from 11 to 1 on Saturdays, they can come out and do an art activity. Some other classes that we have that I'd really like to highlight, one is with the Worcester County Humane Society. It is an ongoing fundraiser that we have. It's a year-long fundraiser. Our next class is coming up towards the end of August, and they will get to make a pet-inspired dish. And part of the proceeds goes to help the Humane Society, all of those animals, and helping to find them good homes. So that's an important one. I'd like to talk about the skateboard workshop that we have coming up for kids, which is really exciting. We still have a few spots left. It is a 2-day workshop where kids will be able to come in and create their own skateboard over a 2-day period. It's going to be a beautiful opportunity for them to have a one-of-a-kind skateboard. So that's really exciting. We also have a paint night coming up. So you can come out and learn how to paint, do a painting of a turtle. You can, it's for adults, so you can bring some beverages of your choice and have some fun with some friends and do a paint night with Becca Morgan. And then the last I'd really like to highlight is we have a workshop coming up in October, and it's with Sterling Edwards. He's a national watercolor artist, and it's a 4-day workshop for somebody that really wants to enhance their watercolor skills. It would be an awesome opportunity for you to come out and to be able to build your skills. I am in the process of putting new classes and programs on the website for our next session for October, November, and December. So I'm trying to incorporate some new types of activities and new classes ranging from beginner to advanced. So please be sure to check out the website, sign up for something at the Art League.
Whether it's the beautiful father-son display that you're checking out, jewelry, or any of the other galleries that they have at the Art League of Ocean City, there's something there that is just going to blow your mind and maybe inspire you to take some of the classes that they have that we were talking about as well. But from the visual arts to the performing arts, we're seeing what's going on at the Milton Theater when CoastLife comes back.